Welcome everyone to the Quarry Rock Picnic Area in Bentleyville, Ohio, to our next waterfall hiking adventure. Welcome everyone and happy Father's Day weekend. We are starting another hiking adventure here. We are currently in Bentleyville, Ohio, and we are actually going to check out a few waterfalls today. This is over here, you can see it says welcome to Griffithsburg. And then in 1834, this was basically a small little town here alongside the river that was over here. There was a few houses, a mill, and a general store. So today we're going to be basically exploring this area. It was really popular in the late 1890s, and then there was an independent stone company that began actually quarrying the valuable Berea sandstone that was along the Chagrin River here. So this is a part of the Cleveland Metroparks region. As you can see, it's beautiful. And then there's also a nice little picnic area over here and several waterfalls, as well as a famous place called it's called the Henry Church Rock, and it's like a really nice carving, and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful along this river here. So let's go and take a look. This is going to be a nice little relaxing Father's Day weekend, because of course today is Father's Day, and you can see this is a popular swimming hole. There's some people down there already. It's really, really beautiful. So yeah, that's going to be today's adventure. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome travel adventures in the near future. Alright guys, so we are approaching the water. There's like a little overlook over here too, you can see. Alright, so this is probably that Berea sandstone that small community was harvesting here. Really nice. The trail runs along this cliff. I believe this trail is only a mile long too. It's really short. Short and sweet here for today. Well, look at this. This is cool. It's like a vertical cliff over here. I'm gonna go up here first. I want to check this out. This is sweet. Little caves and stuff over here. Little nooks and crannies. Wow, look at this. You can see there's the river down over there too. And by the way, there's a few waterfalls. There's a double-decker falls. I think there's another one called Squire Falls. And then the last one is, of course, the famous Henry Church Rock. This is so cool. The Cleveland Metroparks definitely are very impressive. Nothing like listening to the beautiful sounds of the river as you hike. Oh, there's a doggy. All right, guys, so now we're gonna leave the cliffs and we're gonna head down into the river and check this out. The water should be warm too. So this will be the perfect area to bring your kids or your dog. Have a nice picnic here. You can see how beautiful the river is. Wow, look at this. Really a beautiful place. This part reminds me of that one place we were at, McConnell's Mill, doesn't it?
Very much so.
That Alpha Pass Trail. It's nice walking right along the river. And I believe if we keep going this way, we'll eventually hit the waterfall. It's really nice over here. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, it is. It's like a canyon. There's a water hole coming up.
Yep, I see it.
Watch out for snakes down here. Bathing in the rocks. Oh, it is very chilly, guys. But it's beautiful. All right, guys, we are crossing the river. This is just beautiful.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
I love this. Yeah, this is a popular spot with kids bringing their tubes in the summertime, riding down this waterfall. Here's the little falls. Here we go, guys. Here's the swimming hole at the beautiful South Chagrin Reservation. All right, everyone, we're going to continue walking along this creek, or walking through this creek, I should say. The water temperature is just perfect. You can see the beautiful sandstone cliffs. This trail honestly makes you feel like you're out west again. It's beautiful with the pine trees and everything. Yeah, this is the more mellow part now of the creek. You can see how crystal clear the water is. And I really wish we brought Dexter with us because he would go crazy at this place. And then after this, guys, we're going to continue traveling back towards this direction, and we're going to go visit the Henry Church Rock. There's also a castle in the North Chagrin Reservation. I believe it's called Squire's Castle, so we're going to go and check that out next. There's a lot of swimming opportunities here. You can see the cliff is getting more impressive as we walk along. All right, this part's getting a little bit deeper over here. This is probably the swimming hole part. Look at this. Whoa, that's really deep there. This is cool. I love the cliffs here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, I see the waterfall in the distance. What a cool hike. This reminds me of Chagrin Falls when we were walking in the river. Or I think that was actually pronounced Taganic. Oh geez, it's a little deep over here. Yeah. Hi. All right, guys, we're going to continue walking up here and take a look.
Whatever you would like to do for a few more minutes.
Oh my gosh. All right, let's go make our way up to the waterfall. This is amazing. Alright guys, here's the other side of the waterfall. Just beautiful. Now we're gonna go and head towards the Henry Church Rock. I thought I'd film this part. This is pretty cool. Nice little rock wall here. Yeah, this is a super impressive trail. Definitely my favorite trail so far that I've been on in the Cleveland Metroparks area. I mean, look how beautiful and lush. Just beautiful here. Really cool path here. Just a beautiful trail. Oh my gosh. I hear the next waterfall, I think. Yeah, here it is. Here we go, guys. Here's the next waterfall. Look at this. Although it's not really flowing, as you guys could see, because we've kind of been in a drought. But here we go. We made it to the next falls. Look at this. It's really cool too, because you could, if this was flowing nicely, you could walk all the way back here and check out this waterfall. Look at that. Really gorgeous day. Alright guys, so I hope you're enjoying the adventure so far. This is really impressive. So we just left Squire Falls, as you can see over here, and now we're going to continue down this pathway, which leads us to the next waterfall. It's a really unique pathway too. I believe it was built in the late 1800s, early 1900s. There's definitely a lot of families out here today too. It's a great day for a picnic or just a walk along the river. All right, we're almost down to the bottom again. I believe our next waterfall's coming up here. This is beautiful. Wow, this is nice. Little sandy beach over here. And you kind of get a different view of the waterfall that we just visited up there, Squire Falls. Oh, there we go. There's the beautiful Henry Church Rock. Look at that. We gotta go get a closer look. That is amazing. We finally made it, guys. All right, so we're gonna go get a closer look at this Henry Church Rock because this is really an impressive carving here. You kind of have to walk through. Ooh, be careful over here, Dad. There's a lot of little tadpoles. Don't want to crush them. Oh my God, look at this. This is super, super cool. So this is a famous carving over here. And you could tell why, because this is just amazing craftsmanship. Look at this. Just beautiful. All right, so my dad's decided to take the path through the river, but I'm gonna take this path. Our next waterfall coming up here on the left is Chagrin Falls. Really, really nice park. I would highly recommend coming back here too, because I want to bring my dog next time. Dexter, I think he would really love this. It's a perfect thing too, because as you can see, the trail is completely shaded. You're shaded by the sun the whole entire time. You're basically just walking through the forest. And wow, is this a nice hike. Perfect Father's Day weekend. How's it going?
Good, I'm in the water. It's nice. The sun's day. Beautiful.
Okay, looks like we have a little bridge coming up here. Oh, here we go. This, I believe this is Chagrin Falls. But as you guys can see, the water's not flowing. It's basically just trickling down here. But that's where Chagrin Falls typically is, I believe. Alright guys, so this is technically Chagrin Falls that's right over here. But as you can see, it's not really flowing this time of year because we are currently in a drought. We've really only had a little bit of rain this past week, so. But I definitely recommend checking that out when after a rainstorm because it's flowing nicely, typically. Okay, so we visited pretty much all the sites. Now we're going to continue on this trail. And our final site is, I believe, Double Decker Falls, which is straight ahead. So, really an awesome waterfall adventure for today. Technically 4 waterfalls, but really Chagrin Falls wasn't flowing. And neither was that other one, the last 2 of them. But it's worth a shot. Looks like a beaver dam over there. All right, Double Decker Falls, straight ahead. There we go, guys. Double-decker falls. Finally made it. Wow, is this nice. There's a beautiful heron bird right in front of me. Alright, so we're making our way back to the car, and we have one more destination to check out today. And that is called Squire's Castle. And that's going to be in, I believe, North Chagrin Falls. Welcome guys to our second stop here for today in our Cleveland Metroparks adventure. We are at Squire's Castle, which is in the North Chagrin Reservation, and it was built in the 1890s by Cleveland oil pioneer Fergus Squire. The castle has enchanted generations of Cleveland Metroparks visitors. Squire's original plan called for a large country home to be built on 525 acres and named River Farm Estate, and the structure you see now was only intended to be the gatekeeper's lodge. Squire used the lodge in the early 1900s as a weekend retreat. Much of the castle's exterior was constructed with Euclid bluestone. It was quarried at what is now a part of Cleveland Metroparks, Euclid Creek Reservation. So that's beautiful history right here. And let's go and take a look at the castle. And it's only a short 25-minute drive down the road, actually up the road, towards Cleveland from our previous location. So this will be a nice way to finish our peaceful video for today. And who knew there was a castle over here in Ohio? Alright guys, here is the castle. Beautiful. Here's one of the insides of the rooms here. You could see this. Wow. Nice landscaping too around here. This is cool, isn't this?
It's very cool.
There's this fireplace over here. And it said the castle had several bedrooms, living areas, a large kitchen, and a breakfast porch. And all of the castle rooms had a white plaster walls and were elegant with ornate woodwork. Jeez. All right, let's do another walk through here.
So cool.
This is really cool. This is another really nice room over here. Looks like one of the main rooms in the castle. Here's another nice little fireplace room over here too. You can see there's some views out here. There's like a little path that walks around. And then here's a picture of what Squire looked like, as you guys could see over here. Just do a short little walk through here of the outside of the castle. That way you guys get a idea of what it looks like from the outside too. Hi. Thank you all for watching today's hiking adventure to Quarry Rock Picnic Area in the Cleveland Metroparks. And stay tuned for more adventures coming soon. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content.